Hello lovely people, hope you are having a great time today. We are pleased to share with you this beautiful 3-bedroom design. This design is for persons looking for a one-of-a-kind home which is yet affordable. This 3-bedroom bungalow has a free-flowing interior spaces ideal for a growing family. In short, this cottage is an epitome of elegance and is suitable for a family of at least 5. The layout of the ground floor plan with its floor areas are as follows: an inviting front veranda, from which you step into the joint living and dining space. A well-furnished kitchen which is connected to an essential butler's pantry. An appealing carport. A beautiful master suite with its washroom. 2 other spacious bedrooms. A total of 2 washrooms. A lobby and a corridor for easy movement. The building has 3 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The building has an area of 134 square meters with an expected construction cost of $67,000. This is only an estimate to give you a fair idea. One striking feature of this design is that it can easily be built within one's means. Walkthrough, living and dining. Walkthrough, kitchen. Walkthrough, master's bedroom. Walkthrough, master's washroom. An aerial shot of bedrooms 2 and 3. These 2 bedrooms are the same in size and design. They also share a common washroom. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly click on the videos on your screen to watch other amazing videos on this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.